My name is En. I'm 25 years old, and I paint to help me cope with depression, anxiety, bad memories, self-harm urges, and suicidal thoughts. Focusing on each stroke of the brush is like a little action I can take to help soothe myself in a world where there are many things beyond my control. Painting helps remind me of how far I've come and that every little effort counts. And so does Hui Xin, a counselor I met at Insight.
So Insight is the mental health department at Care Corner, and what we are trying to do is to really be able to provide services on that continuum of care. So what we do is mental health prevention education, so that's to the public, and we also do mental health screenings as well as basic emotional support, referral. So I have a lot of clients who are saying, I would like help, but there are all these obstacles that stand in their way, and I think it's sad lah. It's sad to be able to see that, I have this client who is open and wants to seek help, but is not able to access that help because a lot of them have not had very good experiences with help seeking. So be it in the school or be it outside.
I'm not going to lie, painting does not always help me. Painting seems like putting a plaster on a gaping wound. She encouraged me to pick up painting again after stopping it because I felt really low. She was genuinely interested in my art pieces and what painting means to me. Hui Xin was there throughout, from actively encouraging me to go to my first polyclinic appointment, accompanying me to my first psychiatrist appointment at IMH, and even visiting me while I was hospitalized.
Our target group is young people, and with the recent happenings, we really recognize that youth mental health is on the forefront. It's a major concern. If we don't deal with it now, then it's going to lead to a lot more complications down the road. It's important because that we catch it early, when it's less severe, when it's less intense, because it's the onset. So it's all the more important to reach this group and help them to be able to take care of their mental health as well.
Seeing how Hui Xin genuinely cares for me and firmly believes that I'm worth fighting for gives me a reason to persevere through the ups and downs of my mental health recovery journey. Pain becomes more bearable, and the burden of recovery is lightened when you allow trustworthy people and professionals around you to support you.
All this mental health stress, we are pursuing perfection, we're pursuing happiness and pleasure, and nothing else is allowed, right? No sadness, no pain. But I think resilience and strength also comes from operating from that place of brokenness and weakness sometimes, which we all struggle with. I also maybe want to just also say that I think there can still be beauty in brokenness.
I painted this to show how I felt when I was struggling. In painting, the brush transforms into a mouthpiece. The paints act as vessels of my feelings and thoughts, and the canvas becomes a rare, precious space that welcomes my voice. A picture speaks 1,000 words or even more. I'm very thankful for Hui Xin and Care Corner, who have gone above and beyond in their efforts in encouraging me to paint again and for supporting me in my recovery.